हाँ नीलिमा जी।
Hello.
Yeah.
Sir, my driver number is 3 and conductor number is 4.
Okay.
It is 3/3/1969.
Okay.
Missing numbers are 8, 5, and 7.
Okay.
So can I make my name spelling? You said my name spelling should come on 5,
Correct.
right?
Mm-hmm.
But first part, if I set on 5 and other part on 14, 37, then it comes to 1. Then it is okay.
Yeah, it is okay because आपका driver number 3 है बोला आपने, right?
Yes, sir.
And conductor is
4.
4. Yeah, it is good. So 1 is compatible with 3 and 4. और
Yeah.
अगर आप first name and second name 14 पे लेके आ रहे हैं या 23 and 14 पे लेके आ रहे हैं, so both are on 5 so which is good. तो आपको 5 आ गया नाम से.
पर टोटल में सर कंपाउंड नंबर में 37 आने के बाद 1 आ रहा है. Then
That is okay.
should...
It's very good. 3 and 7 is a very good number to come on 1. No problem.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
हाँ नीलिमा जी.
Hanji sir,
Yes.
hi sir, really enjoying the class, although the second half was a little bit of a challenge in terms of the personal year. मेरे को month का नहीं समझ में आया कैसे कैसे
So
calculate.
month very simple. तो एक तो आपने personal year calculate कर ली.
Personal year जैसे 2 आ गया.
अच्छा 2 आ गया. अभी March is 3.
Yes.
April is 4.
Yes.
May is 5. जो नंबर आ रहे हैं राइट, March 3 है तो 3 + 2 कैलकुलेट कीजिए.
5 आ गया. अब
5.
ड्राइवर
तो
5
आपका पर्सनल मंथ मार्च इज 5.
ओके,
दैट्स ऑल. तो अगर 2 आप कैलकुलेट करें तो नेक्स्ट अगेन 5 कब आएगा आपको? नवंबर में आएगा. बिकॉज नवंबर इज अगेन सॉरी दिसंबर में आएगा बिकॉज दिसंबर इज 12. तो 1 + 2 को 3 करते हैं हम. ठीक है, 3 प्लस योर पर्सनल ईयर 2. सो 5 इज कमिंग अगेन इन मार्च एंड देन अगेन इट्स गोइंग टू कम इन द मंथ ऑफ
तो
दिसंबर.
सर जैसे अभी पर्सनल ईयर 2 आया है, ठीक है, और ड्राइवर 5 है, तो फिर 7 हो रहा है.
नहीं, उसको टोटल नहीं करना है, उसको टोटल नहीं करते. पर्सनल ईयर 2 आ गया.
हाँ जी.
Okay, so 2 का अभी what is 2? 2 is going to be a little gentle.
Yeah.
Okay, and it is going to make you wait. थोड़ा patiently wait करना पड़ेगा. ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको efforts नहीं करनी है. The reason why I am saying is जैसे आपका 5 अभी personal month आ गया, right? So this month there are a lot of unexpected results you are getting to know. आप अपेक्षा भी नहीं कर रहे वो result आ सकती है.
Okay.
Because ये personal month 5 है, right?
Good.
Hmm?
This month is good.
Yes, this month is good. Okay, next month also is good. 6 आ रहा है. Right? So I am saying, right, कभी एक slow year आ गया, 2 slow year आ गया, you have great personal months also coming. तो अगर आपको 3-4 महीना वेट करना है और फिर 5 आ रहा है, that means वो मंथ में आपको वो रिजल्ट देगा ही देगा.
Okay.
Okay, पूरा साल आपको स्लो हो सकता है, बट जहां पर आपकी अच्छी मंथ्स आ रही है which is compatible with your driver number 5, definitely वो रिजल्ट्स वो मंथ में आपको देगा.
Okay, sir. Also, मैंने name का calculate किया था, तो I was just wanting to share. My grid does not have 4, 3, 2, and 7.
Okay.
So when I am taking with my husband's surname ले रही हूँ, तो मैं अगर नीलिमा में NEELIMA था पहले, but if I add an L, तो it comes to a compound of 2 and 7. And
First name.
बिंद्रा में we have 1A, but end में अगर मैं एक और A डालती हूँ तो वो 1 and 2 हो जाता है.
Okay.
12. So 27 and 12 जो है 39 आता है.
But एक बात आपको, so I said, right, your first name can never come on 9.
Okay.
आपका फर्स्ट नेम शुड ऑलवेज बी इन 1536 कॉम्बिनेशन में होना चाहिए, जो भी कंपैटिबल है आपके ड्राइवर और कंडक्टर से. आपका ड्राइवर नंबर 5 है और कंडक्टर नंबर.
The only anti in my combination is 8 because I'm a driver 5 and a conductor 1. So 8 के अलावा I don't have any issues with any other number.
Correct, but 9, as I said, right, is a 50-50 year.
Yeah.
50-50 number.
तो नीलिमा में मुझे 9 का वाइब्रेशन हटाना चाहिए.
Yes, आपको 10 कर दीजिए उसको, make it 1.
इसी तरह see, I'm actually into occult and teaching, and also I definitely want to enhance the 3 which is anyways missing in my grid.
Right. हाँ. तो get your name number on 3.
तो नेम नंबर ऐसे तो 3 पे आ रहा है, then I have to just work out other combinations.
Yes, first name should never come on 9. वो आपको ध्यान में रखनी है.
And sir, as far as my work related name is also concerned, so उसमें भी मुझे कोशिश करनी चाहिए कि 3 का vibration ही create करूं.
करेक्ट. 3 का कर सकते हैं, 5 का कर सकते हैं, बिकॉज 3, 5, 7 एक ही लाइन में आ रहा है, which is for occult, for education, for healing, coaching and everything, right? So either 5 or either 3, because you are already having 5 as a driver number. Okay.
Yeah.
अगर आपको मुश्किल हो रही है, right? If it is difficult for you to get it on 3, then also what you could do is 5 or 3 के साथ which are great friends. 6 also is a great friend, right? But your education is, you're doing something with 3. So first name 3, second name 9. तो 3 का combination आ गया.
So second name को मैं मतलब किसी तरह 9 पे लेके आऊं.
27 पे लेके आ सकते हैं.
Okay.
Okay, that's why I'm saying it's not going to be easy. Take your time, don't hurry. एक पूरा हफ्ता ले लीजिए, make all the combinations you can and pick up the best name. Okay, एक ही पे टिक मत जाइए कि अच्छा ये मिल गया तो we'll work on it. No, make 2-3 combinations. See what are the best combinations for you.
For me, I should get it on 3. If not, then on 5 or
5.
6.
Yes.
5. ठीक है sir.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you.
हाँ गौरव जी. या गौरव जी.
हेलो.
हेलो.
हाँ सर, मेरा ड्राइवर नंबर है 1 और कंडक्टर 6 है.
ओके.
और मेरे ग्रिड में 4 बार 1 है और 1 बार 9 है.
ओके.
और मैंने भी एक क्रिस्टल का ब्रेसलेट भी पहना था मैंने.
ओके.
और मॉडल में आई हैव वेयर रुद्राक्ष एंड वॉच आल्सो.
ओके.
लेकिन क्रिस्टल का जो ब्रेसलेट था वो 10 एक दिन के बाद वो नेगेटिव हो गया. वो इट गॉट अ वेवलेंथ वाइब्रेशन ऑफ 13, 3.3 एंड 6.6, द लैकर एंटीना आई यूज.
ओके.
तो उससे मेरे को बड़ा हेड हैवीनेस, नेगेटिविटी फील हुई, नेगेटिव वाइब्स आई, तो मैंने उसको उतार दिया. आई वॉश्ड इट अवे और फुल मून में भी रखा, सनलाइट में भी रखा, बट स्टिल इट इज नेगेटिव.
So what is your you don't have 5?
I don't have 5.
Okay. So if you feel that there is something negative, okay, then don't use crystal. Chalo. At least enhance that by the name number. Get your name number on 5. Start using more of green color.
अभी मेरा जो नेम है that is गौरव गर्ग. फर्स्ट नेम जो काउंट है 19 है is equal to 1.
टोटल 19 आ रहा है.
19 आ रहा है.
अच्छा, फर्स्ट नेम
का 19 आ रहा है. फर्स्ट नेम
19. ओके, गुड. सेकंड नेम 9 पे आ रहा है. ओके, सो इट इज अ गुड नेम. कंटिन्यू विद दैट नेम.
और मोबाइल नंबर मेरा 6 पे है.
आपका ड्राइवर नंबर एंड व्हाट डू यू डू सर? व्हाट डू यू डू?
In occult science and in food grain business.
Then I would advise you keep your name number on your business name on 5, phone number for the business on 5. Okay. उसको enhance कीजिए. 6 तो already आपके पास है. Right? आपका 4, 5, 6 success line complete करने के लिए 5 is a very prominent number which you do not have.
Right.
So I would advise get your name number on phone number on 5. You start more on green. Okay. All of that you need to start focusing on.
And secondly, जैसे मेरे ग्रिड में नंबर 1 4 बार है, नंबर 1 is 4 times.
Number 1
is 4 times.
Okay.
तो मेरे को इसकी वाइब्रेशन को रिड्यूस करना है.
So correct. So don't use more of dark red colors.
Okay.
Don't focus more on Sundays. See, जब once 4 बार आ रहे, that means your thought process is saying that this is what I want to communicate to somebody. But the person you are trying to communicate is trying to understand it otherwise. Or not trying to get your point.
So how to balance this number?
So one thing is that you should not do anything on Sundays. Keep low. Don't use much of red color. Okay. And then because 951 में भी वो आ रहा है, bill plane में भी वो आ रहा है, 5 is not there. That line is not balanced. जितना आप 5 को balance करोगे, when you start enhancing 5, this will start getting balanced automatically.
So 5 can be balanced through Buddhi Yantra.
Yes.
Or checking the name of Buddhi Yantra.
Yes. So we will do that in the next class. I'm going to talk about the yantra numerology also, where it is a direct remedy.
Okay.
It is going to be worn in a form of a small pendant. So I don't have 6 particularly missing numbers के साथ. See, it's going to be worn in the form of a small pendant which I'm wearing. We'll talk about it next week. So that is a direct remedy. आपको crystal नहीं पहननी है या आपको wooden you cannot use, right? You can use those yantras. We will talk about it next week. Let us get the name number phone number combination right. In your phone number, see whether you can avoid 1 and 3. That digits should not be there in your phone number because आपका 1 and 6 combination है, 1 बहुत भी है and 6 आपका driver number, conductor number भी है. So let us see whether you don't use 1 and 3 in your phone number. See, you can get 5, you can get 7, right? That combination, if you are getting some numbers, great.
मतलब ये ग्रिड का जो बेसिक पर्पस है कि अगर नंबर 2 बार से ज्यादा है तो हमको उसकी वाइब्रेशन को रिड्यूस करना है और अगर नहीं है तो वो वाइब्रेशन क्रिएट करना है.
हाँ, so one thing is अगर बहुत बार भी है और जो आपका प्लेन होता है, राइट, जैसे प्रैक्टिकल प्लेन में 8, 1 and 6 है, आपके पास 6 है, आपके पास 1 है, 8 भी एक बार हो सकता है. So if these numbers also are high, मतलब 3 बार 8 आ गया, 3 बार 6 आ गए, 4 बार 1 आ गया, that entire practical plane thought is gone. Right? So if the numbers are not there, maybe आपके पास only 1 9 is there and no 5. In spite of you having 1 4 times, it is still balanced because 9 is once. 9 also complements 1, 1 also complements 9. तो अगर complementary number भी ज्यादा हो जाते हैं, then it becomes little difficult, which is not there in your case. The only thing is थोड़ा red color कम use कीजिए and Sundays try to avoid lot of focus on Sunday. Do it on other days. ठीक है? हाँ सोनल जी.
हेलो सर.
Yes.
हाँ सर. सर कई बार है ना कंफ्यूज हो रहा है कि नंबर किसके साथ किसका कंपैटिबल है या नहीं है थोड़ा सा, तो इसका कोई चार्ट है सर?
तो मैंने जो आपको शीट दी थी, राइट, 9 नंबर के,
वो हाँ.
in that you have friendly number
Yeah.
and you have neutral number.
Okay.
These two are great friends to that number.
Okay.
Okay, so you should focus on that, particularly friendly numbers को focus कीजिए.
Okay,
लेकिन
sir.
सपोज फ्रेंडली नंबर्स में से फॉर एग्जांपल आपका ड्राइवर नंबर और कंडक्टर नंबर 2 है, राइट, तो 7 फ्रेंडली है उनके साथ, 1 is friendly, 5 is friendly and 3 is friendly. But 1, 5 and 3 are good. 7 is a good number, but we cannot use it in our daily lives. So while it is friendly to 2 also, we will not use it in our daily lives. Maybe you can use it in the form of a color. 7 का color grey हो गया, maybe grey clothes आप पहनेंगे, it is compatible with your driver and conductor number.
Okay.
But you can use 1, 5 and 3 everywhere.
Okay. Sir, one more thing. जैसा कि आपने मुझे बताया था, मैंने मोबाइल नंबर मेरा 5 नहीं मिला, 6 पे मिला है मुझे.
Okay. आपका ड्राइवर कंडक्टर क्या है?
ड्राइवर इज 8
हाँ,
and conductor is 1.
Driver is 8, conductor is 1. Okay, 6 is a great number. Okay.
Okay, तो वो बिजनेस के लिए वगैरह ठीक है सर?
Yes, sir. Yes, definitely you can use 6 or 5. Both numbers are good for you.
Okay, okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. हाँ, प्रिया जी.
Good afternoon, sir.
Very good afternoon.
Sir, my personal year is 5.
5, okay.
Driver number is 1.
Great. 1 and 5 combination. Superb.
Personal month is, but 8 is coming.
That's okay. So it'll thoda hard work karayega. You are going to put effort, but it'll tell you to do more hard work. And it's just 1 year. Abhi to 7 din ho gaya. Abhi 20 din baki hai, and then the next year will come. Next month will come. So don't get stressed out कि personal month 8 आ गया, something is going to go bad. You will get to know the vibes, right? See, now my personal month is, yeah. So my personal month is 4. My driver is also 4. So I already got the experience that there was something wrong. It did not happen to me, but I was affected because my dad's health was affected, right? So it is that combination, that's all. But ऐसा नहीं है कि it is going to give you loss. It is going to give you some tragic things. Nothing like that. There could be small hurdles which will pass on. As simple as that.
Sir, for a number name, we have to take the initial also.
You should take. Count? Yeah, you should take, because that is also one place, right? So sometimes what I advise, can you put, say if it is P Rajkumar, P is one word, Raj is one word, Kumar is one word. Can you add P and Raj together to make it a great combination? Because P may be 8, which is not a good vibration. Or can you remove that? Or can you add the full name? Maybe you are adding father's name. Raj P Purushottam Rajkumar, it may be. I'm giving an example, right? So can you elaborate it? Can you abbreviate it completely and use it? You can use it. Otherwise, you'll have to remove P. Documents mein to hai. It is there in the documents. Don't worry about it. It will continue to be there. but when you're using it in your daily life, just give the first name and last name.
So my name is now it is J Priya.
Okay,
It is
J
coming.
is 1, which is good.
Priya
Pri-
is coming of 4.
4 is not a
Oh.
great number. No, make it 5. Add one more A.
Oh no, adding J also J1.
J1, Priya
Ah.
is 4.
5 is coming, no?
But Priya is 4, no? 4 is a
Oh.
struggling number.
First name we have to add.
Correct.
Oh.
So 4 is a struggling number. So add one more alphabet A, make it 1 and 5, 6, which is a great number for you.
So, sir, for me, I want to add Sai, SAI.
So add it and see total, whatever you want to add, you want to use, you can do the combination. What I am saying, in your name numbers also, don't have struggling numbers. Don't have 7, don't have 4, don't have 8, don't have 2. These numbers should not come.
Okay,
When you're looking at individually also, when you're looking
Oh.
at Priya, it is at 4, not a great number. It should come to 5. Okay,
Sir,
and then you want to add Sai, you can add Sai, no problem.
Okay, sir. Another one thing, when we have to use that lottery number, then we can use.
See, that's what I'm saying. So what is your lottery number?
My lottery number is 6.
Okay.
But my driver number is 1, conductor number is 2.
Huh.
In the grid also, my lottery core number is also 6.
So bring your name number on 6, no? Bring your name number on 6. Take a phone number on 6.
Last time I asked, but you told that choose the lottery number 5.
You have 5 in your grid?
No.
No 5.
My 4, 3, 5, 7 are missing in my grid.
Then 5 is not lottery number. No. 5 is a very important number in your grid.
Oh, we can use that as a lottery number.
Yes, you can use, because it's an important number to have.
So we can make the number name number also 6, sir.
Yes, you can make. Yes.
And one more doubt, sir. You said that the personal here is anti to director number. Driver number.
Correct.
Number means what will be the remedy?
I will come to the remedy next week. Don't worry. Don't worry. Very simple remedies. Okay. But see, once you know that the year is anti, my year is not good. So you are already cautious, right? These many days we did not know.
Yeah.
Now we know. So when we are doing some things, when we are working on it, when we are taking important decisions, at least you will become cautious. Should I do it? Should I not do it? Should I do it in my personal month? Then I'll get some advantage. So don't worry about it. Okay.
Sir, my husband driver number is 3 and my driver is 1. It's okay.
Yeah, 1 and 3 are good combination. Power and knowledge.
Okay, sir. Thanks for your kind reply.
Welcome. Gopal ji. I'm coming one by one, so don't worry, I'll answer. So, 1-2 questions may finish it off so I can give time for everybody. Gopal ji.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
How is your father, sir?
He is much better, getting slowly recovering.
Chalo,
stable
for the best, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
चलो बेसिकली क्या है कि मेरा जो ड्राइवर और कंडक्टर है दैट इज 4 बोथ आर 4
ओके
जी और उसमें मेरा जो पर्सनल ईयर आ रहा है दैट इज 8
ओके
हाँ तो वो दोनों ही स्ट्रगलिंग के लिए रहेंगे या कैसे रहेगा?
सो क्या होता है सर, सी इन दिस इज अ गुड क्वेश्चन बिकॉज 8 आ रहा है एंड इट इज अ टेम्पररी कॉम्बिनेशन, तो एक ही साल आपके पास रहने वाला है वो. हार्ड वर्क कराएगा 8, ओके, but 4 और 8 combination will definitely give you some result. Okay. जैसे मैंने बोला, right, in the entire year आपके पास there are some good months also. So वो months पे आपको result देते जाएंगे. But it is nothing to worry because it is a temporary combination. It is coming. It is going to tell you to focus and get the result out. थोड़ा hard work कराएगा but results आएंगे. Nothing to worry.
Results आएंगे.
Definitely.
Okay. तो उसमें जो मेरा फर्म नेम है दैट इज ऑन 9 एंड द अनदर फर्म नेम इज ऑन 2.
ओके.
तो उसके लिए सर उसको मैंने एक्चुअली जैसे सपोज स्टेबल है फर्म का नाम तो दैट इज कम्स ऑन 9 तो मैंने उसको स्टेबल 1 कर दिया है, न्यूमेरिक 1 लगा दिया है तो दैट विल बी ऑन 1 और मे बी और 9 1 और नॉट कंसीडर.
सी तो न्यूमेरिक वैल्यू आप लगाएंगे बट हाउ इज द फर्म गोइंग टू बी नेम्ड? उससे अच्छा एक अल्फाबेट ही डाल दीजिए.
नहीं वो
Make it
पॉसिबल
10.
नहीं है, अब तो हो गया सर, उसमें वो जीएसटी नंबर वगैरह सब कुछ हो चुका है ऑलरेडी।
ठीक है, that's okay. That's why I'm saying right, documentations में जो भी आ जाए no problem. आप विजिटिंग कार्ड बनाते हो, राइट? विजिटिंग कार्ड में चेंज कीजिए, एक अल्फाबेट ऐड कीजिए, the pronunciation will still be stable.
जी,
You'll just put one more a maybe. Instead of
तो
adding a numeric value, make it 10, which is good with your 4.
ओके,
राइट? जो
तो
2
मतलब
है
वो वन न्यूमेरिक है जो वो काम नहीं करेगा, मतलब
नहीं करेगा सर, नो, you have to add an alphabet.
ओके, एंड देन द स्वास्तिक फॉर्म है वो सर, वो भी मतलब वो 2 पे आ रही
2
है,
पे है, वो भी एकदम पेशेंट एंड जेंटल नंबर है, राइट?
तो उसके लिए ऐसा स्वास्तिक कर दें तो आई थिंक दैट विल कम ऑन 5.
यस,
ओके, और सर मेरे पास जो है 5, 6, 7 और 2 नंबर नहीं है।
5 6 7 2, ओके।
मेरे पास ऑलरेडी 2 नंबर मोबाइल नंबर चल रहे हैं जिसमें 7 और 9 आ रहे हैं सब दिन का, दोनों का टोटल जो है तो
दोनों नंबर
भी
नॉट ग्रेट,
एंटी है सर। 9 नंबर तो वैसे ही मेरा नॉन फ्रेंडली नंबर है, तो अभी उसको सर 5 पे कन्वर्ट करें या 6 पे करें?
दोनों पे, एक 6 पे लेके आइए, एक 5 पे लेके आइए।
ओके, क्योंकि मेरे पास ऑलरेडी 3 1s हैं और उसके साथ कुआ भी 1 है।
दैट्स ओके, 5 पे लेके आइए, 6 पे लेके आइए, बिकॉज़ व्हिच इज नॉट देयर विद यू, राइट? बोथ द नंबर्स यू कैन यूज।
5 और 6 में से दोनों के कॉम्बिनेशन में से कौन सा अच्छा रहेगा?
6 अच्छा होता है सर, बिकॉज़ 6 एंड 4 ग्रेट कॉम्बिनेशन।
6 and 4 is a great combination.
Great combination.
So you mean to say कि मतलब जो मोबाइल नंबर और नेम जो है वो 5 पे कर ले?
हाँ, कर सकते हैं 5 पे, because it's a very critical number to have also. phone number 6 पे कर सकते हैं।
phone number 6 पे कर सकते हैं। चलो, right sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you. No, so if you have more doubts, right? I know I am restricting people to ask 1 or 2 questions. अगर doubts है, कुछ calculations करें, please put it on the WhatsApp group. I'll be able to help you there as well. ठीक है? हाँ सुनील जी।
हाँ सर, गुड आफ्टरनून।
गुड आफ्टरनून सर।
सर लास्ट वीक जो आपने रेमेडी दिया था, मैंने वो रेमेडी इम्प्लीमेंट किया। ओके, सो दैट रेमेडी हैज वर्कड टिल नाउ। ओके,
ग्रेट। ओके,
सो इट हैज वर्कड इन अ वेरी 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 पॉजिटिव वे व्हिच आई हैवंट बिलीव्ड। ठीक है, क्या हुआ था कि मैंने आई वाज यूज्ड टू गिव अ कॉल इन स्टॉक मार्केट। सो अभी मैंने उसमें डीप एनालिसिस किया और अब मैं वो कॉल कब हिट होगा, कब वो नीचे गिरेगा, दैट डेट आई एम गिविंग।
ग्रेट,
ओके,
ओके।
और मैंने क्लाइंट को दिया, क्लाइंट वाज रियली हैप्पी एंड दे टोल्ड ओके वी वांट टू डू अ बिजनेस विद यू, व्हाटएवर परसेंटेज वी विल वर्क, सो वी विल वर्क इन दैट डायरेक्शन।
ग्रेट सर,
ओके,
ग्रेट टू हियर दैट।
सो अभी मैंने देखा मेरे नेमिंग के कन्वेंशन में फ्रॉम माय नेम आई एम गेटिंग अ नंबर इज 8।
Okay.
Okay, and for my surname, I'm getting number is 5.
Okay.
Or my driver and conductor is 3 and 5. 3 driver and conductor 5.
Okay.
Okay, so 5 is a good. So Sunil में मैंने क्या किया कि if I add E in between NIEL, so I will get 5.
Okay.
Okay, so instead of 8, I can add a Sunil SUNIEL. Okay. और फिर मैं एक जो अभी एज अ स्टॉक मार्केट के जो मैं नेम सजेस्ट कर रहा हूं।
आपका ड्राइवर कंडक्टर क्या बताया आपने?
ड्राइवर इज 3 एंड कंडक्टर इज 5।
हाँ, ओके, सो 1 टोटल 1 आएगा, राइट? 5 + 5 आएगा। इफ यू चेंज द नेम, सुनील में ये एक ही ऐड करेंगे, सो द वाइब्रेशन इज 5 + 5, इट कम्स टू टोटल नंबर ऑफ 1। Correct. So 1 will go with 3 and 5. Okay, great.
Yes. Okay. Yeah. Second is जैसे मैंने अभी जो स्टॉक मार्केट का नाम मैं स्टार्ट कर रहा हूँ, it will start with the स्वास्तिक स्टॉक मार्केट. Okay. स्वास्तिक में भी मुझे 3 आ रहा है, लेकिन but what I'm thinking is I'll put one more S in middle. Okay. That will bring it 5. Because my conductor is 5 and 5 is a good, which you have told 5 is a balance one.
Right. What is the missing number? What is the missing numbers in your grid?
Missing number is 6, 4 and 8.
6, 4 and 8. Okay, you can't use 6 also because driver आपका 3 है. So great.
Correct.
Okay, so I think that is right. 5 you can.
Yeah. And for balance part, you have given me that remedy. I've already used it. Crystal wooden bracelet and watch, golden silver stripe watch.
Great, sir. Great. Okay. Okay.
So in this particular part, what I want to, so at any point of time, I should not enhance my 6, correct? That is because
no,
of
sir,
my
do not enhance 6. मतलब numbers में मत enhance कीजिए. Okay. Colors अगर आपको थोड़ी यूज करनी है तो white colors यूज कर सकते हैं, but don't use it plain. Maybe use white with red, which is good. So red is एक 1 का color है, right? So with red and white, you can have some combinations which will help you.
Okay, fine sir. So sir, last week मैंने mobile number 5 पे number लिया 5 पे.
Okay.
Okay. Then I checked my car number. Car number also came down to be 5.
Great.
मुझे पता ही नहीं था, but then after attending the session, like I checked what is my car number. So car number is ending with 5.
Good.
Okay. And then I enhance whatever you have told for as a remedy part. That remedy part has worked. And like I told you early last week also, I was very good in teaching maths and I was teaching my kids. फिर मैंने जरा सोचा कि मतलब शेयर मार्केट में मैं हूँ तो व्हाट समथिंग तो कुछ तो ट्रिगर हो गया एंड देन इट वर्क्स आउट. Even I will share you all my testimonial by end of this month.
Sure, sir. Please share.
क्योंकि
I would suggest that you give a feedback that after implementing these things, this is what the change is. So I can share that on Facebook for other students also to know, other people also to gain some importance about it. But I am happy for you that it worked. And that, as I said, right, these are very small things we want to do. We are just trying to make the right choices, and with those right choices, we are making some right actions. So it will work. जितना आप इसको enhance करते जाएंगे, जितनी जगह पे आपको use करनी है उसको, जितना आप use करेंगे, it will always give you the derived results.
Correct. So the first day when we completed first day class, correct? So मैंने क्या किया कि like married है तो wife के साथ भी मेरा balance होना चाहिए. So हमने remedy दोनों के लिए book किया.
Right.
जो भी order करना था वो दोनों के लिए किया, दोनों का आया, दोनों ने implement किया, and after that it started working.
Great.
Now I've ordered for my kids also. So for kids it has already come, but then I'm waiting for this Wednesday and Thursday for them to use crystal and wooden.
Sure.
But till this month, and even when I went through this, when you taught me today this personal number, personal year, and I found that because of this number also it is working for month of March.
True.
So if I see my as per my this one, so personal year is coming to 9.
Yeah.
Correct. Three is my driver, and personal coming for 9. फिर March में भी 9 plus 3 किया तो 12 plus 12 किया तो 2 plus 1 3 किया. So I think March में इसके लिए कुछ तो work हुआ because of this number calculation.
True.
Correct.
Good.
So then I realized, this really work. और बाद में
it will work.
Yeah. And I've told you, like I went to UK for 1.5 years, correct? So मैंने उसमें भी calculate किया तो I went on 17th December 2017. So उसमें भी मैंने calculate किया तो personal year was 3. Then personal month came to 3 plus 3 6, and date also that came to 3 plus 3 plus 3. So मैंने देखा कि पूरा 3 का was giving me a very good vibration, and that day I left India to UK.
Yeah.
अब मैं वापस कब आया उसका मैं देख रहा हूँ.
अच्छा. That's what I'm saying, right? You can always go back and check those years and months. It will always give you the similar kind of results whenever you ask for it.
Yeah, but now I really start believing that numerology really works.
It works, sir. It is just numbers, and everybody has their own choice of numbers, right? There are some average numbers, there are some good numbers, and everybody has some good numbers to pick. You just pick up those good numbers which has a great vibration with your date of birth, and it will give you the same results. It will never give you negative results.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Welcome, sir. Welcome. हाँ, मेघना जी.
हाँ, हेलो सर.
Yes.
सर मेरा ड्राइवर नंबर 3 है, कंडक्टर नंबर भी 3 है, मिसिंग नंबर 5 है. तो मैंने मेघना को तो मैं 5 पे लेके आई, ए निकाल के एक. ठीक है. तो मेरा सरनेम है सत्ता, तो मैं एक ए ऐड करती हूँ तो 37 हो जाता है. तो वो 1 पे आता है. वो बेटर है या मैं 36 पे ही रखूं सत्ता?
नहीं, 36 पे रखिए, बिकॉज अगर आप उसको 1 पे लेके आएंगे तो आपका नेम नंबर 6 पे आ जाएगा. अगर आपका नेम नंबर 6 पे आ जाएगा, आपका ड्राइवर नंबर 3 है तो एंटी चला जाएगा.
36 हो रहा है ना, वो 36 हो रहा है ना.
हाँ, वो तो 9 आ गया ना.
हाँ.
फर्स्ट नेम आपका 5 पे लेके आए आप.
हाँ.
राइट. अच्छा, आप 37 पे मत लेके आइए, मैं बोल रहा हूँ, बिकॉज अगर आप 37 पे लेके आते हैं तो वो 1 and 5 का कॉम्बिनेशन हो गया.
हाँ.
तो 6 आ गया टोटल नेम नंबर.
ठीक है.
करेक्ट. आपका ड्राइवर 3 है.
हाँ.
राइट. सो यू कैन नॉट हैव अ नेम नंबर ऑन 6 बिकॉज 6 and 3 आर एंटी. तो मेघना जो आपने 5 पे किया वो सही है, और जो सत्ता है 36 पे है उसको वैसे रहने दीजिए. डोंट वरी अबाउट इट.
सत्ता कम्स टू 4. सत्ता
4 इट कम्स टू.
हाँ, तो मतलब टोटल 36 होता है, मतलब टोटल कंपाउंड नंबर 9 होता है.
तो उसको 5 पे कर दीजिए. सत्ता को, हाँ
हाँ तो 37 हो जाएगा फिर।
हाँ, तो 5 पे करेंगे तो इट विल बिकम टोटल नेम नंबर 1 पे आएगा, which is good with your driver and conductor, then it's okay.
अच्छा, बट मेरा फोन नंबर 9 पे है सर, तो फिर
तो एक नंबर ले लीजिए, नया नंबर।
अच्छा, तो ये मेरा 9 नंबर एक्चुअली 3 doesn't go with 9 award because मेरे को लगा 369 is a family.
We'll talk about that, but 3 is not, it is neutral, right? जैसे मैंने चार्ट में आपको दिखाया था, right? Which is neutral with 9, right? It is good. It's not that it's bad, but थोड़ा controversies create करेगा. So why do you want to have a controversial number? और वो भी phone number में where used for communication. तो उस पे 1 पे लेके आइए या 5 पे लेके आइए एक नंबर. It will always help.
अच्छा, okay sir. Thank you sir.
Thank you. हाँ अनिल जी.
हाँ, sir, I'm asking for my daughter.
Yeah.
Her driver number is 7, conductor is 5, and year is 5, and month is 8, date is 8. 8 date, why I'm calculating? This coming Sunday, she is having a NID test.
Okay.
And in her grade, missing are 4, 8, 6.
Okay.
And already I have made some remedies for what you have said in last week.
Okay,
crystal bracelet.
Okay.
Rudraksh also.
Okay.
And we have purchased green color dress also for that exam.
Great.
So what are the things, because the year and date and month are coming 8. So what are the other things to be taken care?
So what is the personal year?
Personal year is 5.
Then it is good, sir. Don't worry. Personal year is strong hai. Expect the unexpected for 5.
Okay, sir.
So don't worry. Okay. See, जब मैं क्या बोलता हूँ, when अगर anti year आ रहे हैं, right? तब हम लोग को थोड़ी चिंता करने की बात है कि if there is an anti or an average year coming, then it is little difficult for us to understand. But it is a personal year 5. That means whatever you are not even expecting, that results will come to you, and great results will come. It's not on the negative side; it is on the positive side.
Okay.
Okay, so don't worry; it will be good.
And her conductor is also 5.
Which is good, no? Which is good. 7 and 5, I think it is, right?
Yeah, 7 and 5.
Yeah, it is good, sir. Don't worry.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Welcome.
Thanks, sir.
हाँ बरखा जी.
Very good afternoon, sir.
Very good afternoon.
Sir, first of all, a big thank you for being patient all the time. Thank you so much.
Welcome, welcome.
Sir, my question is, does personal year starts after birthdays or just after 5th Feb?
No. It starts. आपका birthday October में हो सकता है 2021 में, October month में, but it will start affecting from the February 5th.
Okay.
So it is for everybody the same rule. Wherever you are born, that year it is going to give you that same effect.
Okay, sir. Second thing is कि SB जो हम लोग मंगलसूत्र पहनते हैं, वो होती है black beads उसमें. तो वो जैसे suppose I don't have 8 in my grade, तो वो फिर मुझे पहनना चाहिए.
That is okay. That is not going to affect you. That is not going to affect you. उसका aspect ही अलग होता है. Don't worry about it.
हाँ, sir, I just want to discuss about my father, Rajesh Mohan Kheda, as you mentioned. तो उनका जो total आ रहा है sir राजेश का, वो 8 पे आता है. That is compound is 17 and the total is 8. आपने first workshop में भी बताया था कि that is not good.
Correct.
तो फिर और उनका driver 2 है.
तो straight away first name anti हो गया उनसे.
हाँ जी, इसीलिए फिर वो
उनका driver conductor number क्या है?
Driver is 2 and conductor is 1.
Oh, so 8 is anti to both. And what is missing in the grid? 5, 6 missing है?
5, 6, 5 missing है.
5 missing है. तो name number 5 पे लेके आ जाइए. First name को 5 पे लेके आइए, which is 17. See whether you can bring it to 23.
Okay.
Okay. And then you see the second and the second name or the last name. जो भी keep 1 and 2.
जो firm का नाम है जिसमें वो director है जो हमारी firm है, वो that is 6, Eric.
हाँ, 6 is okay because driver और conductor के साथ 6 is good. 1 and 2 के साथ it's okay. No, not a problem. It is good.
पूरा name अपना use करते हैं राजेश मोहन खेड़ा. तो खेड़ा is 15.
Which is good.
मोहन is 23. वो double A use कर लेते हैं.
Okay. So
और
23 plus 23 plus 15. 61 पे आएगा.
55 पे 15 15.
No, now at present if it is on 55. Correct?
Yes, at present
तो
it
अगर
is on 55.
आप 23 first name आप 23 पे लेके आओगे तो it comes to 61.
Okay.
तो I would advise कि keep keep it in 2 places only. First name और last name use करें. बीच वाला जो नाम है, not to use everywhere. In your visiting card, name कहीं लिख रहे हैं, तो keep the first name and the last name in place. जो documents में आ गया, let it come. So if you keep the first name and the last name in place, which is 23 and what you said, 15.
Yes.
38 पे आ गया, so it came to 3, which is good with your driver number and conductor number, no problem. Okay. Okay.
Okay, sir.
First name, last name, 23 and 15 you can keep. Bring it to 38.
23 and 15. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
ठीक है.
Fine. Fine. But वो 23 पे कैसे आएगा?
So you have to add some alphabets. जो मैंने चार्ट आपको शेयर किया उसमें ऐड करना है आपको. You'll have to add and bring it.
वो उस पे बहुत कैलकुलेशंस किए हैं, बट वो किसी भी लेवल पे मतलब होल नाइट वी हैव स्पेंड, बट वो ना 23 पे नहीं हो रहा है.
तो can you bring it down to 15?
15.
15.
Okay, that let me check.
Check.
Okay.
Check. You have to check.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you.
हाँ अभिषेक जी.
सर गुड आफ्टरनून.
वेरी गुड आफ्टरनून सर.
सर अभी आप वो उनको बता रहे थे 23 प्लस 15 38, तो 2 पे आएगा ना सर?
25. Oh yeah. Okay. Yeah. It should come on 3. So Barkha ji, you need to bring it to probably 3 in total. या 5 पे लेके आना पड़ेगा आपको दोनों नाम. Either of the one. But you can share that grid with me. Let me see with the name. हाँ अभिषेक जी, tell me.
सर मेरा नाम अभिषेक भाटिया है. तो अभिषेक तो आ रहा है 24 पे.
गुड. ड्राइवर कंडक्टर क्या है?
दोनों 5 है सर.
ग्रेट. ओके 6 सही है. भाटिया?
और भाटिया आ रहा है 5 पे.
5, 6 and 5 11. उसको भी 6 कर दीजिए.
तो 6 के लिए ए बढ़ा दूं सर?
हाँ ए बढ़ा दीजिए. एनी वन अल्फाबेट. आई बढ़ा सकते हैं या ए बढ़ा सकते हैं. आई छुप जाएगा, दिखता नहीं है ज्यादा. ए मतलब
वाई बढ़ा दो. वाई टिया.
हाँ कर सकते हैं, वाई भी कर सकते हैं.
तो 6 और 6 12 मतलब 3 हो जाएगा सर.
दैट्स ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम. 5 के साथ कंपैटिबल है.
ओके सर. जैसे सर इस साल पर्सनल ईयर मेरा 3 है.
ओके. हाँ ड्राइवर नंबर आपका 5 है ना?
जी.
हाँ नो प्रॉब्लम.
तो मतलब मैं अभी वही सानिध्य में हूँ सर. आपके एजुकेशन मिल ही रहा है, नॉलेज मिल ही रहा है.
गुड. हाँ
जी. तो जैसे सर पर जैसे मैं कुछ भी बिजनेस के लिए टूर प्लान करता हूँ, जैसे मैं कल बाहर जा रहा हूँ संबलपुर, तो कल का अगर पर्सनल डे निकालूंगा तो 8 आ रहा है सर.
कैसे जाने वाले आप?
बाय रोड सर.
तो फिर टायर पंचर होगी लग रहा है.
अरे बाप रे.
नहीं, आई एम सेइंग पर्सनल ईयर इतना आप डोंट फोकस टू मच ऑन द पर्सनल डे. ओके
डे ना
हो जाती है कभी कभी. मे बी यू मे हैव टू वेट फॉर सम टाइम. कोई काम पे जा रहे हैं तो थोड़ा स्लो हो जाएगा. एज सिंपल एज दैट. बट दैट्स व्हाई आई से राइट, पर्सनल डे को ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंस मत दीजिए. नहीं तो आप सोचते हैं अभी कार लेके जा रहा हूँ, कहाँ पंचर होने वाला है, कहाँ क्या होने वाला है. ऑल ऑफ दोस थिंग्स विद दैट. सो कीप द फोकस ओनली ऑन पर्सनल ईयर एंड मंथ. बट अगर कुछ नया स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं, कोई शादी की डेट करनी है, राइट, ऑल ऑफ दोस, देन यू शुड टेक द पर्सनल ईयर इनटू कंसीडरेशन, पर्सनल डे इनटू कंसीडरेशन.
तो सर पर्सनल मंथ मेरा 6 हुआ ना मार्च के हिसाब से?
हाँ करेक्ट
6 हुआ. मतलब इसमें मतलब अपना कुछ भी अपन नया सोच सकते हैं.
यस डेफिनेटली. इट्स अ वेरी गुड मंथ.
ठीक सर. थैंक यू सर.
थैंक यू. ओके. हाँ डेजी जी. डेजी जी. नहीं. हाँ ओके.
Hello.
Yes Daisy ji, tell me.
Yes sir, I have one question. Sir, this is for my daughter. I wanted to check. And so her driver number is 4. Conductor is 8.
Okay.
QI is 6.
Okay.
And her missing numbers are 9, 3, 5, 7, and 1.
9, 3, 5, 7, and 1. Okay.
7 and 1. She has double 2. and her mobile number comes on 3. So I'm doing the remedy for the missing numbers. But I wanted to check, does she need to change her mobile number?
So your driver number you said was 8 and?
Driver number is 4.
4 and 8.
And yeah, 8.
4 and 8. 3 is a good number on mobile, no problem.
Okay.
Her name number can come on 6. Because 6.
So how do you calculate name number? That is on the chart that you have sent?
Correct. So all the alphabets you will add.
Okay.
Every alphabet has a number.
Yes, yes.
Right. So you'll add, say for example, D is 4.
Okay.
A is 1. So you'll add that. You'll get one compound number. And then you'll take the last name, again one compound number. That total number should be very good. Compound number should be good.
So her name number should come in what you said?
I would advise to bring it on 6. 6 because it is come from Kua number. Okay. And significance of Kua number is 25%. We all know it. While it is there in the grid also. But 6 is very good with 4 and 8.
Yeah.
Okay. So if you get your name number on 6, it will be good. And that could be from, maybe the first name can come from 23 or 21. And the second name can come from 21. So it becomes 42. Right? And then it becomes 6.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So 6 is the total of the first and the second name.
Second name. Yeah.
Okay. So we only have that first name and the middle name. Like we don't have surname.
That's okay. Whatever name you have, the first name and last name, it can be the surname or the father's name, whatever it could be.
So how do I get the compound numbers first?
Total. You total it up, right? Now, if Daisy is there, you're going to add all the alphabets with that number and total. Okay. That's one compound number.
So suppose, for example, in my name, I'm getting 10 as for Daisy.
Correct. So 10 is the first compound number.
Yeah, and for Johnson, I'm getting 3.
So 33, right? 33 plus 10 is 43. So that is 4 plus 3 is 7, which is not a great number.
That is right? For 4, you're saying?
Yes. So you need to look at for that.
Okay. So but my driver is 3 and conductor is 2.
While 7 is good with both, but 7 by itself is a number of disappointment, no?
Okay, correct.
So we don't want to keep that number. You should bring it on 5 or you should bring it on 1. That total.
5 or 1.
Okay.
And so one more thing, can I ask?
This is
good, for my brother. His driver number is 1, conductor is 9, and he has 3 9 in his grid and 4 times 1 in his grid. Double 6, 2 and 7. So missing numbers are 4 3 5 8.
5. So focus on 5. Mobile number on 5. Name number on 5.
Okay.
His
mobile number is right now coming. Okay. His mobile number is right now on 2 and vehicle on 9. So
vehicle is still okay. 9 is still okay, but 2 is not great. 2 and 9 are not good numbers, no? 1 and 2 is good, but 2 and 9 are not great numbers. And he's not having 5. So we should focus to get his name number and phone number on 5.
5. So 5 is also missing.
Yes, it is missing in the grid. Correct.
Okay. So even the name number should come mostly on 5.
5. Maybe the last name on 9 and the first name on 5.
And since he has 4 times 1, what colors like he should
red,
avoid?
He should avoid a little bit. Red, he should avoid.
Okay.
5 is not there, right? That is the biggest problem. Once 5 comes, a lot of balance will happen. He's a little aggressive person also.
Yeah.
Right? So that will also calm down. Yeah.
So 3 times 9 is okay, or should he again?
It is not okay, but I'm saying once you get 5 into place, right? Once you start using 5, it'll start helping.
Oh, okay. Fine. Thank you, sir.
Sarita ji.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
So I have few questions. I will try to make it quick. My first question is, does 8 number people also should avoid Sundays?
Does 8 should avoid what on Sundays?
Like anybody born on 17, 26 or 8 should avoid Sundays, like should not do much work on Sundays.
Yes, definitely yes.
Avoid important work on Sundays?
Yes.
Okay. And okay, sir. And another another thing is, can all the family members have different surnames if the names are not working on a proper number? Or you should avoid that.
No, it can be. It can be. Not that
it's
they
okay.
cannot have. It definitely can be. Whatever is your choice. You want to show a name which has great compatibility with your driver and conductor number. Okay. So say for example, some of them will use father's name. Some of them use the surname. Some of them use the husband's name. Right? So that combination you can make. But sometimes what happens in some communities, you already have the surname set. Right? And nobody wants to change it because that surname is there with their first name and then the surname. Sometimes they have the first name, father's name and surname also. Okay? So in that case, maybe they want to use all the three. It can happen. But in some places, they don't want to use the surname. They use the husband's name. They use the father's name. In my case, my surname is Kabre, but I have never used it. I use my first name and my father's name only. So based on that, whichever name you want to use it, you can use it. No problem in that. Okay.
Like if people are flexible with it, if a husband has a different surname, like if you take mine, you can do that. Okay. And is it like my next question was also the same? You answered it. I had written that is it good to change the surname or is it good to let the surname be and just work on the first name? But so you answered my question. That's fine. Another thing is, sir. Yeah, sorry.
No. So yes, what happens is if everybody in the family is using the surname, once you make a change to that surname, right, that becomes compatible for everybody. But what happens is, say for example, I want to bring the name number on 6.
Yeah.
Okay. In 1 you have 5. The surname has come to 5.
Yes.
But for somebody you have to use it as 1. That again that surname will change.
Yeah.
So in that cases it becomes a little difficult.
Yeah.
That cases it becomes a little difficult.
Yes.
Otherwise you can use it.
Okay, sir. So another. Okay, one more question is that I just wanted to ask for my husband. His date of birth, his driver is 2 and conductor is 4.
Okay.
Okay, he doesn't have missing numbers are 3, 5, 6, and 8.
Okay.
Missing numbers are 3, 5, 6, and 8. His full name comes on, his first name comes on 20. That is a 2. And the full name comes on a 41. That is a 5. So because this first name comes on a 2, I think things are very slow. They don't work.
Correct.
So is it possible? Yeah, it is because they are actually stuck. So is it possible that he uses the full name on emails and visiting cards, his name and surname that is coming on 41. And in general, he starts using a name that works on 21, like comes on 3 or something. Can a person use 2?
See, you can, but abhi 20 pe aa raha hai, one alphabet will make it 21, no? First name 20 पे आ रहा है.
But वो one alphabet जब add करते हैं ना तो पूरा हाँ जी सर 20 पे आ रहा है और वो अनूप कपूर अनूप कपूर सो मैंने बहुत ट्राई
ANUP
कर लिया वो फर्स्ट नेम मेरे से 5 पे लाया ही नहीं जा रहा है या यस सर ANUP it comes on 20
so double A कर दीजिए. I know it's
तो
not
फुल नेम नहीं आ रहा है फिर वो फुल नेम 6 पे आ जाता है.
और उनका ड्राइवर कंडक्टर क्या है
सर बिकॉज़ हिज 5 इज मिसिंग.
नहीं ड्राइवर कंडक्टर क्या है. हाँ so 6 will go no why are you worrying.
So 5 will be missing then. 5 is missing.
फोन नंबर पे लेके आ जाइए फाइन को.
His phone number is on 6 so okay.
It's okay. Colors use कर दीजिए या और एक फोन नंबर ले लीजिए. Something of that sort you can do.
अच्छा. Okay. So 6 can go. 6 can go with him.
Yeah, it can
2
go.
2 and 4 ना.
अगर 3 है आपका ड्राइवर नंबर 3 है या कंडक्टर नंबर 3 है then I would avoid 6.
Yes.
Okay. But आपका ड्राइवर नंबर 2 है और कंडक्टर नंबर 4 है right. So first name is coming on 3. If you add one alphabet it's coming on 3. So it is still okay. Don't worry. No problem.
Yes. It comes on 21 if I add A.
Yeah.
Right. ठीक है sir. Thank you so much. Thank you.
हाँ डेलना जी.
सर मेरा जो बेटा है उसका नाम विहान आर है तो विहान इज 19 जो 1 पे आ रहा है
राइट
एंड आर इज 2. अभी मेरे हस्बैंड का नाम राजेश है बट यूजुअली वी यूज आर क्योंकि क्या होता है विहान और आर राजेश साथ में बोलेंगे तो कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं लोग कि क्या. सो सर प्रॉब्लम इज आर को चेंज नहीं कर सकते, तो मेरा फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन था R2 है और मेरे बेटे के चार्ट में ऑलरेडी 2 बार 2 आ चुका है।
दैट्स ओके, डोंट वरी। लेकिन सो कहीं ना कहीं तो आपको एब्रिविएशन ऐड करनी पड़ेगी, राइट? राजेश को एलॉबरेट करना ही पड़ेगा। अगर किसी ने आपको फर्स्ट नेम और लास्ट नेम लिखने के लिए बोला तो आप राजेश को एलॉबरेट करेंगे, तो राजेश टोटल पे कितना आ रहा है?
सर 17 आ रहा है।
सी वही तो बोल रहा हूं, उसको 18 कर दीजिए कम से कम। तो फर्स्ट नेम 1 पे है एंड सेकेंड नेम 9 पे आ जाएगा।
फर्स्ट नेम 1 पे है और सेकंड नेम 9 पे आ जाएगा,
9 पे आ जाएगा तो
उसको
टोटल नंबर 1 पे रहेगा।
ओके,
टोटल नंबर 1 पे रहेगा। ड्राइवर कंडक्टर क्या है उनका?
बिहान का ड्राइवर इज 8 और कंडक्टर इज 6 सर।
वो देन हाउ यू कैन हैव द फर्स्ट नेम ऑन 19? 8 पे
हाँ
ड्राइवर
सर,
नंबर है, वो एंटी हो गया ना।
हम्म,
You can't have it on 19. While 19 is a very good number, but उनके लिए तो एंटी है। You have to bring it to 23.
ओके।
And the husband's name राजेश जो है उसको 18 पे लेके आइए।
ओके,
Okay, so the
23
total number फिर भी 5 पे रहेगा, 32 पे आएगा, 5 पे रहेगा।
ओके सर।
बट
और सर मेरे
बिहान को 19 पे नहीं रख सकते डेलना जी, प्लीज चेंज। ओके, इट्स नॉट अ ग्रेट नेम टू हैव। हाँ, उसको चेंज कीजिए प्लीज। हाँ
ओके सर। और सर मेरे हस्बैंड का भी वो यही हो रहा है, राजेश 17 है।
हाँ
तो 8 टोटल 8 आ रहा है सर टोटल।
हाँ, तो अगर वो चेंज करेंगे आप, उनको भी चेंज हो जाएगा। सो समथिंग लाइक दैट यू हैव टू डू।
तो सर उनका अगर मैं RAA राजेश करती हूँ तो इट विल बिकम 9 एंड 9 + 2 11 हो जाएगा।
2 क्या है?
और आर राजेश आर, उनका भी आर है सरनेम सर।
नॉट गुड। और वो आप उनका ड्राइवर कंडक्टर क्या है?
सर उनका ड्राइवर 5 है और कंडक्टर 7 है।
फिर इट्स ओके, बट स्टिल द नेम नंबर वाइब्रेशन इज नॉट गुड।
यस सर वही मैं उनका मैं इतना मुझे समझ नहीं रहा है कि कैसे करूं, बिकॉज उनका आर करूंगी तो आर तो 2 है, वो स्टैग्नेंट रह रहा है, और राजेश को मैं क्या किस पे लाऊं?
राजेश को उनका आपको चेंज करना ही करना है। 17 पे नहीं होगा, 1 पे लेके आना है उसको। You have to bring it to 19. For him, you have to bring it to 19. For Vihan, when he's writing Rajesh, you have to bring it to 9. 18 पे लेके आना है, like that.
So विहान के लिए वो राजेश will not have an impact अगर वो 8 पे आएगा?
It will have, no? It will have. अभी ऑलरेडी है उनके पास, उनका फर्स्ट नेम 1 पे है, सेकंड नेम R पे है, 8 पे है, तो 1 and 8 वहां पर ही एंटी आ गया। ड्राइवर नंबर उनका 8 है, तो इट्स नॉट गुड, नो? तो थोड़ा कैलकुलेशंस कीजिए, मेक सम कैलकुलेशंस, मेक सम ऑप्शंस जो भी आ रहा है, एंड देन वील सी। You can put me on the WhatsApp group. Double R add कर सकते हैं। There are so many things you can do. ठीक है?
ओके सर। और सर मेरे भी नाम में वही है, 1 and 8 18 आ रहा है मेरा टोटल, और मेरा ड्राइवर भी 8 है सर।
वहीं पर है स्ट्रगल्स, बाकी कहीं पर भी नहीं है। बाकी कहीं दूर जाने की जरूरत भी नहीं है। These are small things we should rectify right away. Right? Get your name numbers on 5. फर्स्ट नेम 5 पे लेके आ जाइए और लास्ट नेम 9 पे लेके आ जाइए। एटलीस्ट इतना कर लीजिए, ठीक है?
मेरे लिए सर?
सबके लिए,
सबके लिए। ओके सर।
बिकॉज अगर आपका नेम नंबर, आपका ड्राइवर नंबर 8 है, बिहान का ड्राइवर नंबर 8 है, और राजेश जी का अगर आप नेम नंबर 1 पे लेके आएंगे तो वो एंटी आपके साथ, दोनों के साथ जाएगा। सो एटलीस्ट गेट ऑल योर फर्स्ट नेम्स ऑन 5 एंड सेकंड नेम्स ऑन 9। वैसा कर सकते हैं। Okay, that's why I said it's not easy. You have to spend some time, have some patience, calculate it well, and हो जाएगा। थोड़ा टाइम स्पेंड कीजिए, एक ही बार चेंज करना है, सही से चेंज करेंगे। That's all. Let it take 1 more week, no problem. But have the right combinations in place so it does not give you any anti-effect. ठीक है? And put it on the grid, put it on the WhatsApp group. I'll definitely check and help you. Don't worry.
Sure.
Okay, but it's not going to be easy. I know that. Okay. हाँ, इसको मैंने अनम्यूट किया। अंजलिका जी, या
हेलो।
यस,
Yes sir. Sir, एक तो मेरे को वो लास्ट में अपने जो पर्सनल ईयर उसका मेरे को बहुत कंफ्यूजन हो गया. I have to see that again and then understand it.
Yeah. I will also share a document on the calculation. Don't worry. So you can look at that as a reference. I'll share that.
Okay, sir. And one more thing, sir. Like my name is Anjalika Joshi. Okay, so my Anjalika comes to 16, and Joshi comes on 17. Total is 33, and that is come to 6. And my driver number is 2 and conductor number is 3.
So 6 पे नहीं आ सकता नाम.
हाँ.
Right. तो जोशी जो है वो सबका सरनेम हो सकता है फैमिली में.
हाँ.
उसको एक आई ऐड कर दीजिए और 18 कर दीजिए उसको.
Okay.
तो वो सबके लिए न्यूट्रल हो जाएगा कि everybody's last name will be on 9.
हाँ, fine.
Right.
Okay.
Now the first name you need to make changes depending on your driver and conductor. So your first name is coming to what you said 6.
No, it comes to 7.
7.
And मेरा grade में already there are 3 7s.
तो first name आपको जो 7 पे आ रहा है कहाँ से आ रहा है वो? 43 से आ रहा है, 34 से आ रहा है?
16 है ना sir?
16 से आ रहा है.
हाँ.
16 से आ रहा है, उसको 19 पे लेके आ जाइए.
19 पे.
तो 1 आएगा. ड्राइवर नंबर आपका क्या है?
Driver is 2.
2 and 3.
Conductor 3.
So 1 के साथ अच्छा जाएगा. Right? Your total name number, first name अगर आप 19 पे लेके आ रहे हैं और जोशी आप 9 पे लेके आ रहे हैं तो टोटल कॉम्बिनेशन 10 आ गया. नेम नंबर 1 पे आ गया. 1 2 के साथ भी अच्छा है, 3 के साथ भी अच्छा है.
Okay sir. So और my husband का उनका name is Manish Joshi. तो उनका
जोशी
नाम
9 पे आ गया. मनीष कितने पे आ रहा है?
19 पे आ रहा है सर.
उनका ड्राइवर कंडक्टर?
उनका ड्राइवर is 9 and conductor is 4.
हाँ, good. So it is good. It is good. No changes in that. जोशी को आपको 9 पे लेके आना है बस.
बस जोशी में आई एक ऐड कर देती हूँ. Fine. And sir अभी जैसे अभी in this year जैसे पर्सनल ईयर it will be my birthday, my month and this year, right?
Correct. Yes.
Then it comes to 5.
Which is good. 3 and 2 के साथ अच्छा है ना?
3 and 2 के and my grade में 5 is missing, so it is
Great.
good.
So good. So lot of unexpected things which you're waiting for a long time. नहीं हो रहा है, right? It will happen. Push for it. It will happen.
And so one more thing, I just wanted to ask. I'm into a home chef. I'm a home chef.
Okay.
Right. I've started my business named as Chinikam. Chinikam ka total is coming to 5.
Okay, which is good.
That is good, right?
It's good.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Yeah.
हाँ रिद्धि जी.
हेलो सर.
Yes.
सर मेरा ड्राइवर नंबर 4 है और कंडक्टर 2 है. और मेरा नेम नंबर आ रहा है 17 + 15.
8 पे आ रहा है फर्स्ट नेम.
जी सर.
Not good. ड्राइवर कंडक्टर क्या है?
सर 4 and 2.
So first name can come on 1. 19. It is coming to 17, right?
Yes sir.
19 पे लेके आ जाइए. लास्ट नेम अग्रवाल है क्या?
जी सर.
हाँ तो उसको और एक ए ऐड कर दीजिए, वो 18 पे आ जाएगा.
और ए ऐड कर दूं. ओके सर. 18.
तो नेम नंबर कॉम्बिनेशन 1 पे आ गया.
राइट सर. ठीक है सर. सर मेरा दूसरा क्वेश्चन ये था कि मेरे हस्बैंड का ड्राइवर 8 है, कंडक्टर 2 है और मेरा ड्राइवर 4 है और कंडक्टर 2 है. तो आपने जैसे मेंशन किया कि ब्लड रिलेटेड इश्यूज हो सकते हैं एंड आई जस्ट गॉट मैरिड बिफोर 3 months. तो वो चीज आई कैन रिलेट कि वो इश्यूज मुझे अभी हो रहे हैं आई थिंक बिकॉज ऑफ दिस. तो सर कुछ ऐसा सोल्यूशन है कि जो हम लोग जैसे हमारी फैमिली मेंबर जैसे मेरा हस्बैंड है या पेरेंट्स के साथ में कोई नंबर ये मिसमैच हो रहा हो तो उसके लिए कोई रेमेडी कर सकते हैं, या जैसे ये नंबर 8 एंड मेरा डायरेक्ट ड्राइवर 4 आ रहा है तो इसके लिए कोई रेमेडी कर सकते हैं?
तो once we next week when we are doing the yantra numerology, right, there are some yantras which I can suggest.
Right, sir.
These are direct remedies which will help. But थोड़ा 5 को enhance कीजिए दोनों. थोड़ा greens use कीजिए. फोन नंबर अगर है दोनों का 5 पे लेके आइए.
जी सर.
Okay, it is definitely going to enhance lot of.
Yes sir, 5 is missing for both of us.
हाँ, see, so थोड़ा imbalance हो रहा है. तो get phone number, both of your phone numbers on 5.
Right sir. Sir मेरे ग्रिड में 5 and 6 are missing. तो आपने जो रेमेडी बोला है I have started working on that. पर मेरे हस्बैंड के ग्रिड में 4 3 5 7 8 6 means many numbers are missing.
मिसिंग नंबर्स की रेमेडी कर दी आपने?
सर स्टार्ट कर दिए सर
दोनों को।
जी सर।
तो आ जाएगा, डोंट वरी नेक्स्ट वीक। सो this name number combination change, right, is one of a direct remedy, right? We want to impact those numbers, so it is definitely going to help. And next week when we are doing the yantra numerology part, in that also it is going to enhance a lot of things where 5 and 6 is missing, 8 and 3 combination hai, in those things also it will help.
ओके सर डायरेक्टली कुछ 8 एंड जैसे मेरा ड्राइवर 8 है और सॉरी मेरा ड्राइवर 4 है और मेरे हस्बैंड का 8 है, तो वहां पे कोई रेमेडी आप रिकमेंड करेंगे?
डोंट वरी, we'll do it. अभी तो स्लोली मिसिंग नंबर्स की रेमेडी कर दी तो थोड़ा बैलेंस हो रहा है, डोंट वरी, we'll do little more next week.
ओके, थैंक यू सर, दैट्स इट, थैंक यू।
हाँ आशी जी 15 मिनट।
Yes, sir. Sir, I have few questions. Am I audible, sir?
Yes, Ashi.
हाँ जी. Sir, my driver number is 7 and my conductor number is 3.
Okay.
So I have few questions. First of all, मेरा जो personal year आ रहा है, वो 1 and 8 से 9 आ रहा है. तो will there be impact of 1 and 8 also?
1 and 8 से 9 आ रहा है मतलब समझा नहीं मैं। Personal month या personal year?
Sir, personal year.
Personal year
18 है। पर्सनल ईयर का जो कंपाउंड नंबर है दैट इज 18, तो इट इज कमिंग
No, that is okay.
That is
So
okay.
it is 9. It is 9. Personal year is 9.
ओके सर, आपने एक चीज बोली कि जब 9 होता है तो देयर इज अ अनसर्टेन चेंजेस, लाइक एक चेंजेस होते हैं रिलेशनशिप में। तो आपने ये तो एग्जांपल दिया कि कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि कोई नहीं बोल रहा हो वो भी आपसे बोलने लगता है।
हाँ, sometimes it is unpredictable. Yeah, you don't expect it and it happens.
तो सर वाइस वर्सा भी होता है कि you have a certain good relationships and might be that comes to bad.
Yes, sometimes it happens. Yes, but आपका ड्राइवर नंबर कंडक्टर नंबर क्या है? ड्राइवर क्या है?
सर ड्राइवर इज 7.
हाँ, so see 7 है, right? तो 7 is also for a little bit of disappointments in relationships.
Right, sir.
So that relationship can be. So are you experiencing it already?
Somewhat, sir.
हाँ, see, so होता है ऐसे, it happens, but it is not going to be throughout the month, throughout the year. There could be some good months where it can change and there could be some aspect. Now you know it, right? तो अपनी तरफ से जो भी आपको करना है to enhance it, to keep that relationship going, to nullify the misunderstanding, you should definitely do. Okay. The opposite party does not know. They have not learned numerology, right? We know it.
Right, sir.
कि ये हो रहा है, ऐसे हो रहा है. I can look at it. So आपके हाथ में जितनी भी शक्ति है कि इसको nullify कर सकते हैं misunderstanding को, please go ahead and do it.
Okay. And sir 7 के साथ 9 जो है, is it okay? Like क्योंकि
yeah, it is okay.
It's a neutral number.
It is neutral number. It is okay. See, जब तक neutral है, don't worry. Okay. थोड़ी ऊपर नीचे होती है, but they are not going to harm each other. They are not going to put you in lot of stress. They are not going to bring you negative things into mind. It could be neutral. Sometimes unexpected things may happen which you are not expecting. Sometimes it may not happen.
Okay. So secondly, it's about my name and mobile number. मेरा जो नेम है उसमें मेरा सरनेम जो आ रहा है that is coming 1 minute sir. हाँ जी, उसका टोटल सरनेम का टोटल 9 आ रहा है.
Okay.
एंड नेम का टोटल 10 आ रहा है.
Okay, so 1 पे आ गया.
हाँ जी, 1 पे आ गया.
और आपका 7 and 5 है, right?
7 and 3 है सर मेरा.
7 and 3, which is good. 1 के साथ 7 and 3 are good combination. So don't change the name. Last name आपका 9 पे आ रहा है, first name 1 पे आ रहा है. First name 1 कितने से आ रहा है?
सर 10 से.
10 से it is okay. So ये this is for everybody. अगर आपका first name 1 पे भी आ रहा है and it is coming from 28, then it's not good, right? Because 2 and 8 are anti. तो 10 से आ रहा है, 19 से आ रहा है, 37 से आ रहा है, 46 से आ रहा है, it's great. So that's okay. Nothing to change that.
सर जैसे मेरे पास 4 and 8 is missing in my grid.
हाँ.
तो अब जैसे नेम है या मोबाइल नंबर है, इन सब से मतलब मेरे पास सिर्फ एक वही रेमेडी है जो आप क्रिस्टल वाला बता रहे हैं, या I could have other remedies also for
So
this?
you can use gray color for 4, right?
Okay.
So
right, sir.
See, when you don't have when you have a missing number 4 and missing number 8, उनके friends कौन है? 6 उनका friend है, 1 उनका friend है, 7 उनका friend है, so 5 is their friend. So you enhance then those colors more. तो ये भी आपको मिल जाएगी साथ में. But as a number, we cannot use 4 anywhere, we cannot use 8 anywhere. जो missing numbers की remedy हम लोग ने wooden और crystal कर दी, we have got that. And these are the only things you can do. You can enhance a little bit of colors, that's it. But 8 आप use black use नहीं कर पाएंगे.
Okay. सर जो क्रिस्टल आपने बताया था, आपने कहा था कि क्रिस्टल की माला में आप एक रुद्राक्ष पहन सकते हैं.
Correct. One single
तो
रुद्राक्ष. Yes.
उसमें हमारी बीट्स कितनी होंगी, नंबर ऑफ बीट्स कितने होंगे क्रिस्टल की? Because there will be one
Crystal will be
रुद्राक्ष.
104 and one rudraksh bead will be there, which is a panchmukhi, 5-mukhi rudraksh. So that can be worn. Yes.
And so one last question, that is कि मेरा जो मोबाइल का टोटल आ रहा है, that is coming 45.
9 पे आ रहा है.
And 9 पे आ रहा है. तो is it okay like 4 and 5 and again it's 9?
See, I would not advise to keep a phone number on 9 because it's unpredictable again, right? So if you have an option to change, please change it and get it to 1, which is good.
Okay. Sir, only 1 is good or other number, any other number?
5 number is good, 6 is good for you, 5 is good for you.
But sir, my conductor is 3, so 6 is...
Oh, conductor is 3, okay. Then you cannot use 6. 5, 1.
5 and 1 is...
Yes.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Okay. हाँ विद्या जी.
Good afternoon.
Vidya ji, can you hear me? Yeah.
Good afternoon, sir.
Very good afternoon.
Enjoying your class, learning a lot.
Good, good.
Okay, this is my daughter's chart again. Driver number 2 and conductor 8.
Okay.
First, her name, total Akhila was 25. So it was coming to 7. And now by removing a few and adding, it is coming to, total is coming to 5, but it is 14. So 4 is anti, opposite for 2. So
that is okay. That is not a problem. But 14 is coming from?
Akhila.
Only Akhila.
Yeah. Ashok is 9. Ashok is 9. So that is not a problem.
No.
So Akhila Ashok.
That's okay. Good. So
that
total
is,
name number coming on 5.
Yeah. So, sir, one doubt. Anti and opposite, are they same or opposite?
No, anti will harm you. Anti will harm. Opposite will never harm. They will come, they will do their job, they will give the results and they will go.
Means it's favorable or?
Yes, it is favorable. See, my name number comes from 42. 4 and 2 are anti to each other. Okay, but it is favorable. They don't harm each other. They will always give the derived results.
Good, good. Okay, sir. And her personal year is coming to 2.
Okay.
Which is her driver number.
Okay, which is good.
Which is good.
Which is good. Thoda patient, you have to, thoda gentle and patient. It could be a little slow here, but it is good. Nothing wrong.
Because she's trying for foreign admission for further studies.
Okay.
So slow or will she get?
So she will definitely get results. So this month is what, 5
March.
For her. March is 5. Next month is 6. Have she filled the applications and all?
Yeah, she has filled.
Is there any interviews coming in? Any process happening this month, next month?
Yeah.
It is happening this month?
Yeah, that is not the exact interview. It is just the initial stage.
Yeah, it will happen then. This month and next month.
Yet to come next month.
It will come.
Next month 6. If it comes, she will get.
Yeah, 5 and 6 is significant for foreign travel also. And both these months are 5 and 6, right? March and April.
Sorry?
5 and 6 significantly is for foreign travel also.
April is for
6.
Okay.
March is 5, April is 6. It will happen, don't worry.
Okay.
It will give the results.
It will happen. Okay. Okay. And one more doubt, sir. Karmic number and master number in that this. What is that, sir? When do we use it?
We'll have next week we'll talk about karmic numbers and master numbers. Then you'll get some clarity. But it's good numbers. All numbers are good.
We have all bought. Okay. We have done all the remedies, bought watch, bracelet, golden, everything.
How are you feeling? What is happening?
I am feeling good. I am also into stock market, making good money.
Great. Good.
From my husband also, and I've suggested to my nephew also. So
Please.
he also has bought it. They are in Bangalore,
Oh,
and
okay.
I gave the contact number.
Yeah.
And helping him out.
Sure.
Okay,
Please
sir.
do.
Thank
See,
you.
one thing is, I always believe in each one reach one. At least one person, right? I am trying to reach so many people. From you guys, as you, at least one person, if you are able to reach and share this knowledge, give them, support them, help them in whatever struggles they have a little bit. If they get some enhancement, we have lived our life. That's what I feel.
Right.
That's the intention I
Right.
have.
Sir, what is the number in your date of birth which has given you so much patience?
No.
It is impossible.
No. So
because answer to everybody patiently.
No, because I have gone through this, right? I know that people are waiting to listen to these answers, and they are nowhere to go. Nobody is answering it, right? And it's not easy, right? I know it is very difficult to sit every Sundays 3 hours in the morning, 3 hours in the afternoon, and again I have 3 hours in the evening. I have 3 continuous classes with 1 hour break. 2 to 3 hour break. I've already extended 20 minutes. 3 o'clock I have one more session. But I'm saying that if I don't answer it today, right, then there is no difference, right? We are just leaving people in their own confusion. There is no end to it. Once I give them some conclusive reasons, conclusive answers, they are more happy. They start taking actions. When they start taking actions, that means their lives are slowly starting to improve by itself. And I have learned it by myself that you need to be patient enough. As simple as that.
Great, sir.
Yeah.
Great, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Vijay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
हाँ दीपिका जी. दीपिका जी. Deepika ji is not answering.
Hello.
Yeah, Deepika ji, बोलिए.
Hello.
Yes.
Yeah. Sir, my driver number is 4 and conductor number is 6. Okay. My name, as it is, Deepika is coming 17 total. Like it comes to 8. And Patel comes to 21 and comes to 3. So which number should I use? Like should be my name number.
आपका जो 17 पे आ रहा है ना दीपिका, उसको 21 पे लेके आइए. तो पटेल 21 पे है. पटेल 21 पे है. और दीपिका भी अगर 21 पे आ गया तो दोनों से 42 आ जाएगा, वो 6 पे आ जाएगा. आपका ड्राइवर 4 है, कंडक्टर 6 है, 6 दोनों के साथ अच्छा जाएगा.
मैं अगर सर मैं नेम मेरा ईमेल वगैरह में सीए दीपिका पटेल यूज कर रही हूँ ना, तो सीए का 4 आ रहा है ना.
हाँ, तो सीए आप यूज करते हैं कभी भी? सीए इनिशियल है क्या?
हाँ, सीए इनिशियल है. ईमेल आईडी में सब फुटर में मैं सीए दीपिका पटेल ही यूज कर रही हूँ.
हाँ, तो C is 3 and A is 1. Correct?
Yeah, so it is 4. So 8 plus 4 plus 3 is coming 15.
हाँ, but आपका फर्स्ट दीपिका जो नाम है वो A17 पे आ रहा है ना. It's not good, no?
हाँ.
Right? Okay. और CA को साथ में मत लिखिए. Separate it. C space A.
Okay.
We don't want to give the 4 vibration. C is 3, A is 1.
Okay.
Okay. क्या आप CA ना यूज कर पाए? Is it okay?
बाकी मैं अपना सोशल मीडिया में तो नहीं यूज कर रही हूँ, लेकिन
तो आप यूज मत कीजिए. मैं क्यों ये बोल रहा हूँ, बिकॉज आपका ड्राइवर नंबर कंडक्टर नंबर 6 है.
ओके.
और आपका फर्स्ट नंबर 3 पे स्टार्ट होता है.
ओके.
या फिर आपको सीए
तो
पीछे
मैं
डालना.
दीपिका डी पटेल यूज कर सकती हूँ. दीपिका डी पटेल यूज कर सकती हूँ.
दीपिका पटेल ही यूज कीजिए ना.
ओके.
दीपिका को 21 पे लेके आइए, पटेल को 21 पे लेके आइए. जो 21 पे है पटेल ऑलरेडी, सो दीपिका को 21 पे लेके आइए. इट्स ग्रेट कॉम्बिनेशन.
तो टोटल नेम नंबर 6 होना चाहिए.
करेक्ट. जो 4 के साथ भी अच्छा है, 6 के साथ भी अच्छा है.
ओके. खाली दीपिका पटेल यूज करूं मतलब.
हाँ.
ओके. एंड मेरे हस्बैंड का भी सेम ऐसा ही हो रहा है. उनका देवांग पटेल है. तो देवांग नंबर इज कमिंग 24. पटेल इज अगेन 21, that is 3. And 24 is 6. And his driver conductor is 6 and 5.
6 and 5. लेकिन टोटल नेम नंबर उनका 4 पे आ रहा है ना, 49 से.
24 and 20 उनका 9 आ रहा है.
9 आ रहा है क्या?
24 and 21 9 आ रहा है.
नो, 24 plus 21 45 आ रहा है. उसको 46 कर दीजिए. ड्राइवर कंडक्टर क्या है उनका?
उनका ड्राइवर कंडक्टर 6 and 5 है।
6 and 5 है। ओके, सो 1 पे आ सकता है नेम नंबर उनका, 1 पे आ सकता है। तो थोड़ा कैलकुलेशंस कीजिए, इट विल कम।
1 पे लाना पड़ेगा हमको। ओके, एंड वन मोर थिंग सर, हम लोग का दोनों के ग्रिड में है ना 5 and 6 दोनों है। So is there any chances this year can we go like or make it for abroad, like moving to abroad?
तो आपका पर्सनल ईयर क्या आ रहा है दोनों का?
पर्सनल ईयर मेरा अभी तो 1 है।
हाँ।
और हस्बैंड का 15 जनवरी है 2021। तो 12 मतलब 3 आ रहा है उनका।
3 आ रहा है और आपका 1 आ रहा है पर्सनल ईयर। हाँ आपका तो चांसेस तो है बिकॉज न्यू बिगिनिंग्स है, राइट?
ओके,
सो देयर आर चांसेस, प्लीज ट्राई
ओके,
डेफिनेट चांसेस।
ओके सर, ओके, थैंक यू।
हाँ अंजलि जी।
हेलो सर, गुड आफ्टरनून सर।
गुड आफ्टरनून
सर, मेरा नाम राकेश है।
अच्छा
सर, माय ड्राइवर नंबर इज 1 and conductor number is 5, which is also now lottery number also.
Okay.
Lottery number.
सर
मेरा डाउट है कि पर्सनल ईयर नंबर और पर्सनल डे नंबर आई मिस हुआ कॉन्सेप्ट।
हाँ
अभी
सो आपका डेट ऑफ बर्थ क्या है?
28 February 1991।
2 + 8 + 2 + 5। So आपका पर्सनल ईयर इज 8. So you add the date, month and the present year. So 28 + 2 + 2021 अगर आप टोटल ऐड करते हो, that is your personal year, which is a singular digit number. Okay?
इस ईयर का?
हाँ इस ईयर का 2021 personal year is 8. And with 8 if you want to know what is my personal month, so March is 3.
Yeah.
So add 8 + 3, which is 2.
8 + 3. Okay sir.
That is the concept.
Date का? Date वही है क्या?
Date if you have to add the date, so personal year आ गया, personal month आ गया, फिर date का total कर लीजिए. So 7 + 3 + 2021. Today 7th March, 3 + 2021 जो भी total आएगा उसको आप 8 + 2 + that personal year if you add, you will get your personal day.
Okay sir, thank you. One more doubt sir, regarding my name. Surname, my surname is coming under the one sir. Both calculation like Chaldean and Pythagoras. Which we have to follow sir. Pythagoras or Chaldean? Only Chaldean.
Yes.
So both numbers, both methods की surname है कि 1.
First name क्या है?
पूरा surname first name sir. In South में surname first भी आते हैं।
अच्छा तो क्या है फर्स्ट नेम टोटल क्या है?
पाता PATHA 1. It comes under 1. मेरा असली ना 1 from surname.
नहीं सर, टोटल 1 from where? From 21, 28,
19 sir.
19. Okay, second name?
19. राकेश कुमार। राकेश कुमार मेरा नाम है।
Okay, राकेश, so सरनेम आ गया 19 पे।
राकेश मेरा नाम। राकेश कुमार। राकेश 18 और राकेश 26 और 18।
26 और
18 और एक मेथड में 26 और एक मेथड में 18।
ओके, तो फर्स्ट नेम आपका 9 पे है, 1 पे है।
1 पे है।
दैट इज द सरनेम। आपका ड्राइवर नंबर 1 पे है।
1
कंडक्टर
5।
So 1 and 5 combination you have. 5. Now your Rakesh is coming on 26.
9 and yes 26 and 9 18.
26 is not good, right? 8 पे आ रहा है। Your driver number is 1 and 8 anti. People know you by Rakesh, correct?
Yes sir.
People call you by Rakesh. वही नाम आपका एंटी आ रहा है, तो how you will get success? So you have to change.
Yeah, that's the problem sir. I'm asking that.
You have to change it.
Oh, correction करेगी?
So 5 पे लेके आइए या 1 पे लेके आइए?
Sir, Rakesh.
Yes. 18 which is there, let it be. That's not a problem. 9 पे है, it's okay. Rakesh should be changed. Okay, bring it to 5. I would say bring it to 5. If you bring Rakesh to 5, no?
Okay, sir.
Your first name, which is surname, is 1.
Yes, sir.
Second name is 5. Third name is 9. Correct? So totally when you add, it will come to 6.
Okay.
1 is good with 6 also, and 6 is good with 1 also, and 5 also. Got
सर
it?
मैंने दूसरा नाम लेके आ गया, राकेश आनंद करेक्शन किया.
अच्छा,
राकेश आनंद.
लेकिन राकेश तो फिर भी 26 पे ही है ना.
Both sir, mixing both. Call me represent as Rakesh Anand. It's coming under the 41 actually.
You are adding both and writing?
Yes sir. Rakesh sign bhi wo bhi hai.
No.
Rakesh
When you are
Anand
writing, are you writing Rakesh Anand together?
Yes sir.
Or are you giving space?
No. I'm not giving space.
Okay, so Rakesh Anand is 41. 5.
41 is coming on 41.
41. Okay. And
Fine.
the first name, your surname is on 1. Hello.
Sir.
Correct,
okay.
right?
Tell me sir.
So you are not going to use the last name?
Yes sir.
You're not going to use?
Yes sir. Actually records में पाता राकेश कुमार है ना. पाता राकेश कुमार पूरा नाम.
Okay.
It's in Chalian में it's coming under 7 पूरा नाम. Pythagoras पाता राकेश कुमार की नंबर पूरा नाम 181 combination.
Okay. So that's okay.
Or 191.
So what you can do is you use the surname which is on 19 and get Rakesh Anand which is on 41. These are the only two names you are going to use. कहीं पर भी आपको use करना है first name and the surname and first name. That's it. Okay. When you total it up, it will come to 6, which is good with your driver and conductor. It's okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Anybody else have left? Saraswati ji. Yeah, Saraswati ji.
Hello, can you hear me, sir?
Yes.
I have a very basic doubt. My driver number is 2 and conductor number is 3. So where should I look for my friendly color and profession?
I have given you a sheet, no? I have given you a sheet.
Yeah, but I need to look at 2 or I need to look at 3?
You have to look at both.
Both.
Both you have to
because
look at.
In 2 there are some milk products, sweets and all for profession.
Correct.
And for the 3 I have teaching, coaching, training. So which one I should choose?
That is you can choose any of the one. What you want to do.
Oh, okay.
Both you can
because
choose.
sweet products I did and I incurred loss. But teaching it was okay. Actually, I experienced teaching, coaching, it was good.
Okay.
So I should.
Your driver number is what? What is your driver number?
2.
Okay.
2.
So, okay, why I would say that you incurred loss is because your driver number is 2. Okay. And what was the name of the business you kept? You remember?
Yeah, it was Noble Creations.
What was the total number coming to?
Oh, long back. I didn't calculate on the.
So probably it could have come
Noble
on 6.
Creations.
It could have come on 6. And 2 and 6
Oh,
are not
okay,
great friends.
okay.
Okay. So
Oh,
whenever
okay,
you can do that business, but you need to keep the name number on 5, phone number on 5, then it will help you.
Okay. Okay. So for friendly color, I should look for white or yellow?
Off-white color.
Because mine
Off-white
half-white.
color.
Okay. So we should look and we should do experiment, either a conductor or a driver
Yes,
number.
yes.
Okay, sir. And one more doubt, that bracelets and all, how long we need to use? Even sleeping?
See, it is a missing number. The more you use it, the more it is going to help you.
Okay, sir.
Keep
Thank you
using
so
it,
much.
it's okay. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Somebody I forgot. किसको मैं भूल गया, मुझे याद नहीं आ रहा. 1 minute. हाँ. Deep Naren ji. Yes, sir. Acha, Anil ji is also left.
हेलो सर.
Yes.
हाय
Yes.
सर.
Tell me, sir.
सर आपके कहते ही मैंने नाम बदल दिया, आपने स्क्रीन पे ध्यान दिया होगा अगर तो.
नहीं, अच्छा बोलिए. हाँ, बोलिए सर. हाँ.
Sir, I have had 2 combinations. Last week I kept the same name. But if you look at Deep Narayan, I mean this is the name I've used for my book also. So generally Narayan, it's Narayan, So I don't know, some back my father had this way, Narain. It's actually Narayan.
Okay.
So if I use that Narayan, and if I keep it separately, Deep, Narayan, Chilani, Deep comes to a total of 22. Now, as such, 22 is a master number which will reveal. But if I total it separately, it comes to 4.
Right.
So then is 22 good or is 4 bad? Which one is it?
See, 22 as a master number is good, but 4 total bad. You can't have 4.
So if I club the name Deep Narayan, which I have written in my book also, so if I use YAN, then the total comes to 22 plus 16, which is about 38.
Okay.
Okay. And Chelani gives me a total of, not with the double I, but with a single I, it gives me a total of 26, which makes it 64 in totality, which is 1. 64, I think, is good. But then the other separate numbers are not so great.
Yes.
38 and 26.
Yes.
Yeah. Now, if I change it to this one, Deep Narayan, it makes it 37. One word.
37 is always good.
22 plus 15.
Yes. But
okay.
22.
And Chelani, if I put with.
22.
No, so if I'm putting Deep Narayan together, if I'm putting Deep Narayan together, it makes it 37. 22 doesn't occur.
Okay.
And Chelani, if I put it with double I, it makes it 27. 37 plus 27 is 64.
So it is good. 64 and then it comes to 1. Yes, definitely it's better.
I didn't actually want to change my surname spelling at all, but then there's no option. I think it's leaving around.
If there is one I, you have to add, it's not visible too much. Right? I also always tried.
I first added 2 A's, but then I realized I is also there. So
I is a better.
Later in hoga to better.
True.
And second thing, sir, the point what I wanted to know is, see, my brother's birth date is 22.
Okay.
So his driver is 4, basically. But generally, I have seen even with my father, so it's more of a struggle. He's not struggling so much as what my father did at one point of time.
True.
But then I don't see much friends with 4 and 8 and 7 for that matter. So then how do those guys, like even for a personal year, personal month, वो ज़्यादा success तो मुझे लगता नहीं उनको 1 के साथ भी मिलेगा.
किसको 4 को?
4 को.
मिलेगा, क्यों नहीं मिलेगा? 5, 1, 6, great friends with 4.
Only 6, na sir. 1 and 9, once in 9 years.
No, 1. No, I'm saying 4 and 1 combination is good. 4 and 5 is good. 4 and 6 is good.
Okay.
But we all know that 4 by itself is a struggling number.
Okay.
Right? My driver number also is 4. I'm from 31.
Right.
Okay. But it will have its own share of struggle. That's why I'm saying, जहाँ पर हमारी weakness है, उसको हाथ ही नहीं लगाना है.
Okay.
Only focus on the strength numbers. For 4, the strength numbers are 1, the strength number are 6, the strength number is 5. Start holding on those numbers. It will always help.
Okay. So my brother's name total comes to 7. Normal name number. Is it good with his birth date of 4 or no?
No. 7 by itself is not having strength, no.
Okay. So if I add a S to it, his name is Harsh. So if I add a double, I mean, instead of HARSH, I make it HARSSH. So the double S makes it 7 plus 3, 10, which is 1. Then it is good.
Yeah.
And then the surname comes to about 27, which I told you.
Yes,
so 10 plus 27 is
good.
Which makes it 37. 37 is good for him.
Yeah, definitely good.
All right. All right, sir. And if no option is possible, like my son has 8 in his his total universe of conductor. And his name comes to 22. Mahipad. So if I add a, it makes it 23. 5.
5 is good.
And he doesn't have a 5 in his grid, so that would be great, right?
So it definitely enhances, yes.
So, but the idea is that if we add the numbers of this thing, let's say my name comes to 37, which is Deep Narayan, if I tell you. So, and I'm missing 4, 3, 7, and 6 in my grid. So, will that add up to my grid also? It will cover up my
so,
grid?
see, 37 से आपको 1 आ रही है, आपके पास 3 and 7 दोनों नहीं है.
Right.
Right. So it is
और
also
64 भी मेरे पास, अच्छा मेरे पास 64 भी total जो आ रहा है वो भी मेरे पास 6 और 4 दोनों नहीं है. तो दोनों को impact करेगा.
While it is coming in those forms, that compound number is coming and it is helping, which is great combination also.
Okay.
Not necessary that we need to add it into the grid, but we are trying to see that that number is surfacing somewhere in our life. And it becomes
but if this happens, then my entire grid will be complete. If this happens in this way,
it will definitely help. It will definitely help.
Okay, great. So then I don't need to do other remedies, is what you're saying?
No, no. You have to do the remedy.
No, I'm just asking.
You have to do the remedies.
Because I have tried different combinations. I mean, I did not know about this. I had used Deepak and Chelani once upon a time. तब मेरा number कुछ I think 2 था. मैं अभी total तो नहीं किया है. Deepak is 25 and is 5, so 32 and 8, 40.
See,
so
that's why,
तब वो इतना नहीं चल रहा था. Deep and Chelani.
It's a slow number. 2 is a very slow and gentle number.
हाँ, तो दीप एंड चेलानी जब यूज कर रहा था तो नाम तो काफी हो गया, लेकिन वो 8 का टोटल आ रहा था, तो काफी मतलब बहुत हार्ड वर्क
करना पड़ा. गुड. ओके,
राइट. ठीक है सर, I'll put you separately messages. I mean, I think
sure,
there will be a lot of questions.
Please.
Right, thank you sir.
I think I'm done. Acha, Priyanka ji is left. Okay.
Sir, good afternoon.
Very good afternoon.
ओके सर, मेरा नाम का जो प्रियंका का कंपाउंड नंबर इज 21 एंड सरनेम इज 18. ठीक है.
ओके, 3 पे आ गया.
21 एंड 18. हाँ, तो 21 एंड 18 इक्वल टू 39 व्हिच इज इक्वल टू 3.
करेक्ट.
ओके, माय ड्राइवर इज 5 एंड द मिसिंग नंबर इन माय लोशो ग्रेड इज 2, 3. कंडक्टर इज 6.
कंडक्टर इज 6.
कंडक्टर.
तो 3 पे कैसे नाम आएगा? 3 पे कैसे नाम आएगा? नहीं आएगा.
अच्छा, नहीं आएगा. तो क्योंकि 6 and 3 आर एंटी.
करेक्ट. सो यू ब्रिंग इट ऑन 5. जो 21 है उसको 23 कर दीजिए. ऐड 1 or 2 अल्फाबेट्स व्हिच विल ब्रिंग इट टू 23. जो 18 पे है वो वैसे ही रहेगा, 5 पे आ जाएगा. 5 इज कंपैटिबल विद 5 and 6.
ओके, सो सर जो नेम का जो कंपाउंड नंबर का जो टोटल आता है, जैसे मेरा 3 आया है, ठीक है, सो दैट आई शुड चेक विद द कंडक्टर व्हिच इज 6.
करेक्ट.
अगर उसके साथ मैचिंग होना चाहिए.
सो टोटल नंबर एक होता है और इंडिविजुअल नंबर्स भी एक होते हैं. जैसे प्रियंका का 21 आ रहा है व्हिच इज 3, जो हमारे 1536 में आ गया. Okay.
Correct. हाँ.
And then second name 18 पे आ रहा है, which is not a great number. 9 पे तो आ रहा है, which is not a great number, but it's still okay because last name में आ रहा है, we can do it. Okay.
Okay.
तो ये एक नंबर और ये एक नंबर आ गया. उसके बाद हम लोग compound number देखते हैं, right? Say 24 and 24 both are great numbers. 6 and 6 पे आ रहा है, but 24 and 24 when we add it comes to 48. 4 and 8 are anti, not great combination. Struggling numbers दोनों.
Okay.
3 तो आ रहा है total, but it's not great. आपके केस में you cannot have 3 because आपका driver number is 6. So you have to bring your name.
My driver is 5, sir.
अच्छा, see, conductor number is 6. So it's not a great combination. So you have to bring your name number on 5.
Okay. And sir, in my Loshu grade 2, 3 and 7 is missing. So what is the connection between Loshu grade and name number? Is there a connection?
Yeah, see 2, 3, 7. तो पहले तो अगर if the numbers which are missing can be bought in the name number combination, that means that number is coming in our grade, right? Right. But sometimes numbers like 7, numbers like 2 cannot be enhanced. They are already a slow running number, so we cannot enhance them. We'll do the remedies and we'll get it part. But what are their combinations, right? You have 5 and 6 as your driver conductor. What are their friends? What are you doing for your life? What are your success numbers? That numbers you can always enhance. That's simple.
Okay, so basically my name number will not add on to any number in my Loshu grid because 3 cannot be added because 6 is anti.
Correct. So we are doing the remedy. We did the remedy.
Yes. Okay, so that's how it will be balanced out.
Yes.
Okay, so just one more question, please. It is for my husband's name and it is little confusing for me. So my husband's driver is 9, conductor is 5. Okay, his name is Mangesh. The compound number is 26, which is coming to 8.
Okay.
And the surname is Lach, 8. That is. So how do we go here?
Surname is on 18, right? That is the same surname.
18, yeah.
Okay, that is okay.
Yeah.
Now, if it is coming to 26, 8 आ रहा है.
Yes.
तो conductor 4 है.
Yes. Conductor 5 is sir.
Conductor 5 है, driver is 9.
9, yes.
Okay. 26 पे है क्या?
हाँ sir.
See whether you can bring it to 24, no?
24. ओके मतलब 33 पे टोटल लेके जाना पड़ेगा.
It'll be good. उनका 6 मिसिंग है.
6 मिसिंग है सर.
हाँ 6 मिसिंग है.
राइट.
तो नेम नंबर से 6 आ गया, राइट? It's a good combination.
Okay, and 6 will go with 5.
Yes.
Okay, so 33 should be for him, and for me it should be 23.
Yes.
Okay, so just one more last question. Sorry, I'm troubling you. So his company name is EduSkills Management Services. तो अभी जब हम नाम count करेंगे, total up करेंगे, तो management services will be considered?
You have to consider because or EduSkills. See what is the combination. How do you want to display it is also important. When we do our next classes, right. I'll tell you how to display the names also. But the first name should always be very good. The main
first
prime name.
Should always be
yes, yes.
Okay. Okay, sir. Done.
Yeah.
So if we have any other question, we can connect you over the WhatsApp.
Yeah, please put it on the group. Yeah, put it on the WhatsApp group. Yes.
Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you for your time.
I think I have answered everybody's question. Anybody is left? Anil Sharma ji.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Good afternoon. Yes, sir. Good afternoon, sir. My question is very simple, sir. Actually, my driver and conductor are 7, and I'm missing 3 and 5 in my grid, right?
Okay.
Now my current name number is already 5, which is like 41. 10 plus 15 plus 16. That is 1 plus 6 plus 7. That is 41. That means 5, basically,
okay.
right?
Okay.
Now somebody told me that 5 name number is bad for a driver, conductor 2 and 7. Somebody told me, and he was very, very confident. It will bring you bad fame, bad name. So try to avoid that. Second thing, sir, I'm into education business, that is e-learning. I'm also into writing books, and I'm also basically now trying to get into occult. So kindly suggest me, my name number is, first thing is 5 better or 3 better for me?
First name is coming on?
My current first name is coming on 10.
Okay, which is good.
Middle name on 15, middle name on 15, which is also okay. And my last name is 16, which is coming on 7. But the total is coming 41, that is 5.
Okay. So yeah. I don't think the name number requires any change other than the last name, which is Sharma, right? Is the last name Sharma?
Right.
That is on 16.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That is the only name.
Right, sir.
That is the only name which is 6 plus. And the middle name you said is 15.
Kumar. Yes, 15, yeah.
15 plus 1. So
now problem is my middle name is coming to 6 and the surname is coming to 7. I already have 3 7s and 3 6s in my grid. So So I was thinking of I was just thinking of why not try something different, like a name which is ends up in 3. So I did like Anil Sharma. I did some combination. So it is coming to 30 now. 11 plus 19. Is that okay? 11 first name and 19 second name.
11 is 2, no?
Yeah. Okay. So that way we can take, right?
2 is not good.
Okay.
You don't have 3.
What do I do?
3 5 7 mein kya
I
missing?
don't have 3. 3 5 both are missing.
So I would look at your first name, which is coming on 1, right? You said?
Yeah, 10. Yeah.
10 pe aa raha hai.
Yeah.
Okay. Second name is on 15, which is okay. 1 and 5 ka combination hai. I would say start using 1 and 5 more.
Right.
First and last name more. Okay, than your surname.
First and last names.
1 and 5
but
ka
when
combination.
You're authoring books and all, sir, you know, you need some.
Okay.
Yeah, but
okay.
So in that case, then the total
you have
becomes,
to enhance 5.
in that
Get
case,
the phone
total
number on
becomes
5.
7, sir.
Huh?
Yeah, that's fine. I'm just asking like name number. What should I do? Because I mean, if
name
I
number,
only use Anil Kumar, it will be 7.
If it comes on 5, it will be good. Or if it comes to 1 from 37, it will be good.
37. And how about 3, sir? Because somebody said like you're into education, e-learning, authoring, and all that. So 3 is also okay for you.
Yeah, it is good.
So is that?
It is good, but driver number is 9.
Driver number. My driver is 77. Driver conductor
both are 7. Yeah, then 3 is also good. 3 and 7 also is a good combination.
Right, but it should not have 2, right? The first name cannot be 2. It has
cannot
to
be
be
2.
1 only,
It
right?
cannot
That's what you're saying.
Yeah.
Okay. So 3 or 5 both are good name numbers. I'll have to
Yes.
experiment further, right?
Yes.
That's what you're saying.
Yes.
Sure, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Okay, so I'll share the recording in some time. The first session is already downloaded. I'll just share it. And if I missed and if I did not answer anybody's question, please WhatsApp me, and then definitely I'll help you in the group. Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you. But start working on the name numbers. Very, very important for you to have those combinations set right. Okay. Thank you.